Alrighty. Today's video is going to be on relationships. Number one, are they your parents? Son ellos sus padres? Number two, ex-girlfriend is going to be ex-novia. Is your brother is he your brother-in-law? Es el cuando? Number four is sobrina. Number five, your son-in-law would be Yerno. Number six is Nuera. Nuera. Number seven, children is going to be Niños. Is he your spouse? Is he your spouse? That's going to be ella sus esposa. Your son is going to be hijo. Uh, vecinos. Vejinos. Vecinos. Yeah, vecinos. Number 11 is going to be familia. Number 12 is abuelos. Number 13 is madre. Number 14 is suegro. And number 15 is es el tu hermano. That's it.